Hello there, Preschool Practicum. I am sending out a video and I will make a video every week to send out to you to let you know what it is that you should be working on. So here we are in our course. Let's go head over to where it says weekly lessons. Click on that. Hopefully for the orientation of the class, which we had last week already, that you've already looked at that practicum contract, filled it out, and that you've done your autobiography as well. Autobiography could be from one of your former practicum classes. Just resubmit it. That'd be awesome so that I can get to know you a little bit better. That'd be great. Next, I'm going to slide on down here and we are going to go to week number 1, which starts tomorrow. You should be at your placements tomorrow. You are going to be working on this first week under health and physical domain. So if I click on that, I'm going to go to the plan. And again, to be able to get into everything, where it says start attempt number 1 down here is what you're going to click on, and that opens everything up. All right. Now, as I stated in our class, if you need an explanation of what each subdomain means, click on that. All right. Otherwise, click on your form. And what you're going to do tomorrow is you're going to observe the kids in your classroom under the 3 different subdomains. So under physical health and development, motor development, and sensory organization. You are going to look at just any child in the classroom, okay? So you don't have focus children. I wouldn't just pick one kid and do everything on one kid either, but you want to just kind of where you see things, then write down the example or the observation that you saw. And be descriptive, please, so that I know what it is that you're telling me. All right. And I think I mentioned also in class, maybe pick some things that kids were not able to do. That's the other thing that I want you to kind of think about. Don't just do things that the kids can do. Write down things that the kids cannot do. So I need 2 examples under each subdomain is what you're doing for this week. That's really all it is that you're doing. You're starting off nice and easy, my friends. So that's what you're doing. Once you're done with writing those up, then for next week, you're going to pick one of those observations and you're going to create a plan based off of it. Okay, so kind of think a little bit about what's going on. And when you're creating your experiences, here's the other thing. I want you to be creative. So that's why I'm also looking for pictures. I want to see how much effort you're putting into this. So if you're saying the kids are having difficulty with blocks and all you do is pull out the blocks, that to me is not a learning experience because that's already offered to the kids. Come up with something new, something that's challenging, something that's not already part of the class. This is you being the teacher offering new experiences to kids. So work this week on these observations, but as you're doing that, think a little bit about from the observations what it is that you can create a plan on. All right. So you're starting off with observing the kids. Next, I want you to make sure that you make a copy of your co-op teacher evaluation and that you hand that to your co-op teacher because it's going to be due on the 8th of September. And then finally, you do have a discussion board, and a couple of you guys have already started this, so that's awesome. But you do have a discussion board that you're going to need to do. So you click on discussion board, tell us a little bit about yourself, okay? Then you're going to use my Google Translate here, copy it, put it in the Google Translate, copy that, and you're going to put both the responses in English and in Spanish right in here. And then I want you to respond to at least 2 classmates' posts. And I want you to translate those as well, because this, again, is a bilingual class, and we're doing everything in English and Spanish. Just like I have on all of my stuff, your English and Spanish, you're going to be doing the same as well. This, my friends, isn't due until September 5th. So this time you've got 2 weeks to work on it, but get started on things, all right? All right, that should be it. I hope everything goes well. I hope you enjoy your time at your center tomorrow. And I will be in touch with you guys next week and send out another video then. Ta-ta for now.